I make $700,000 a year. You made me feel my life. Don't touch me. You again.
From $700,000 a year old woman who committed crime.
Can I help you? What the fuck are you doing?
To the 21-year-old who thinks the law doesn't exist.
Stop.
And Karen claims her wealth makes her untouchable.
Do not kick me.
I'm not going to.
You're going to get a resisting charge if you kick me.
I'm telling you, I have a shitload of money.
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as when extremely entitled Karen thinks her money above the law.
Making my life.
So-
I make $700,000 a year. Andrew Wright's my best friend.
Andrew Wright?
Oh, you guys are real Republican apparently. Can I help you? What the fuck are you doing?
On September 10th, 2024, police stopped a wealthy woman for speeding and erratic behavior. She was intoxicated and arrogant.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can you turn the car off for me?
Sure.
Put it in park. Is it in park?
Sure.
Can you shut off the car for me? Just push the button. It should be a push button. Yeah, license, registration, and insurance, please.
Done.
Do you know why I'm pulling you over right now?
No clue.
Huh?
No clue.
No clue? Well, because you were flying past me and another officer, and you came up on somebody's butt there, and you almost ran in the back of them. And you cut through traffic, and then when you pulled in here, you hit the curb here in front of Publix because you're trying to avoid me. I don't know why, but you go through the Publix parking lot to get this way. So I'm trying to figure out what's going
I'm
on.
not fighting you. I'm not fighting you.
Not fighting. I said avoiding me.
I'm not avoiding you.
Yes, ma'am, you did. You did a full
Right
U-turn.
now, I have not avoided you.
Okay.
Here,
Whose car is this?
it's my car.
Your car? It's a lease, though? Because it shows a leasing company.
Does it matter?
Yes, I'm asking
It does matter?
Yeah, I'm asking you
The
if it's a
lease or
lease.
owning?
Yes, ma'am.
It does.
I'm asking
I'm
you a question.
leasing.
Okay, that's all I'm asking, because on the
Sir?
registration it shows a leasing
Sir,
company.
I'm
That's all I'm asking you.
honest. I'm leasing.
Okay. Can I ask you why you're driving like you're driving
I'm
down?
just trying to go home.
Okay, but it's 40 miles an hour, and I was doing 40, and you blew past me.
I have 50 employees.
50 employees where?
I own a business
Okay, where is that at?
next door to Cooperstock Winery.
Oh, the winery? Okay. The way you're driving is bothering me a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why I'm stopping you. Okay.
I own a business.
Okay.
Police suspected she was intoxicated due to her strange behavior and refusal to cooperate.
Here's the deal. I have a suspicion that she's been drinking. The way she's been driving, the way I saw her, and the way she's acting right now. Her eyes are pretty glassy. There's something going on. Whether she takes medication. Right now we have somebody that's coming to conduct an investigation, and then we'll determine that here. If everything is cool, if she's fine, she'll be able to go on her business. So right now, I just need you not to communicate with her because she's getting irate and it's causing her.
Yeah, she has like really bad anger issues, and she's just been going through a lot with her business. Her manager quit on
she
her.
said, right? I know. She says she has a lot of employees. She's been doing a lot of
Shaking right now.
I know, but listen, the way I saw her driving, she pulled in public to hit a curb, trying to avoid me, because she's almost ran into a few people down here.
The more the officers talked to her, the weirder the things she said.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? You
Good.
doing all right?
I'm great. I'm just trying to get home. I own a business, and I'm just very overwhelmed right now.
Okay.
I'm super overwhelmed by like the stimulation. Like I'm not used to this.
Have you been pulled over before? Have you ever been pulled over
Never.
before? No, okay, yeah.
I'm sorry.
You're fine, you're fine. Sometimes it's a
I'm
little
very overwhelmed.
intimidating for people, but it's not a big deal. There's no reason to get yourself worked up over it. You know what I mean? So you work at Blow Dry Bar or Cooper Shop?
I own
You own
Blow.
the Blow Dry Bar?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I own my business. I manipulate 30 employees.
Nice. Very nice. Okay.
I've owned property in South Tampa for 30 years now. My issue is how I'm being treated. You know, it has nothing to do with
Like overall today, or like
to be honest
specifically?
With you, to be honest with you, my overall issue with today.
Okay.
I've been a South Tampa. I've owned property here for the past 12 years. But regardless, how I've been treated today is one issue. But another issue is just my business. But that's, you know.
So
She kept dodging questions, insisting she was a business owner with serious problems.
I own a business.
Okay.
I live right here.
What kind of business do you own?
I own a Below Dry Bar. I own 2. It's a franchise. I'm a franchise business owner. I do $700,000 a year. South Tampa. I bring a lot of money and revenue into Tampa. I do nothing wrong.
Okay, how much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing. I had 1 drink.
Okay, what were you drinking?
I don't remember. I saw at 7 a.m. this morning. I have 30 employees. I just had to release my manager because she was trying to sue me for wrongful issues. I had to step in.
Okay. Do you remember what you were drinking?
I just told you, no? I said I had a mimosa at 7 a.m.
I don't. So you had what?
I had a mimosa at 7 a.m. this morning.
Okay. Well, see where I'm confused. Where I asked.
Oh, there was no confusion. I'm sorry that you're confused.
Can I speak?
Oh my God.
I asked, do you remember what you're drinking? And you say no, a mimosa.
You got this right there?
Was it no or a mimosa? So your last drink was at what time?
7 a.m.
And it was what?
A 7 a.m. mimosa 2 days ago. I'm sorry you didn't catch that.
2 days ago.
2 days ago. 7 a.m.
So you haven't had anything to drink today?
That is correct. I had water. I had Diet Coke. You question me what I had to drink? Let's run it down.
Because I smell it on you.
I love that. Thank you. I had 2 Diet Cokes. Thank you. At 10 a.m. I had a Starbucks refresher at noon. A Starbucks. You know what? I had cold brew at noon, and then 2 p.m. I had a six espresso shots. I had 6 espresso shots at noon.
When asked to do a straight line test, she mocked the police, joking that she was profiting from it.
Okay.
So pathetic. Left, center, right, center, left. Come on, man. We're both trying to do the right thing here. I fired 2 people just because of based off of performance. I'm on your team, bro.
Okay, so the next
I'm on your team, like literally. I support you guys, true.
Okay.
Like I am on your team. I'm sorry.
So the next exercise we do, it's a walk-in turn?
It's fine. Just put me through.
Okay, so we're gonna use this one right here. That's on your left, my right. Okay. Well, what are you doing? I'm gonna put you in a starting position, okay? And then I'll explain the whole exercise on and demonstrate it for you. And then I'll ask you if you have any questions, okay? Okay?
Yeah. I just want to make sure my guy's on.
There's like 5 cameras on you right now.
I know.
Okay.
I love this for me. Hey, this is gonna make me so much money. Hey, baby, got this? Yeah! Sorry. I love this for me.
Okay.
I don't want to make this money for me, but hey, they gonna do it for me.
Okay, so
let's do it.
I want you to put your left foot on this line.
This one. All right. I'm a ballerina, but we're gonna do this. All right. Sir.
I want you to put your left foot on this line.
Like that? Pointed or what?
See,
Flat or pointed? Because I will do both.
I'm demonstrating it for you.
Oh my God, this is my money maker. Thank you so much for making me money right here.
Okay, and then your right foot in front of your left foot touching heel to toe.
Like
No, but on the yellow line. No, don't touch
you don't
me.
want to hold my hand.
I do not want to touch you. So your left foot on the line.
Left, sir.
And then your right foot in front of your left foot.
And right.
Touching, yep.
Yes, sir.
Then your hands by your side touching your thighs.
Yes, sir. All of that. You're proving me right.
Okay.
I love this for me.
Your hands by your side touching your thighs. Not like that.
Okay.
How I'm doing it.
Oh, sir. I'm sorry.
Just like that.
She keeps bragging about her income. She thinks her money is above all.
Over there. Right at the beginning
manhole.
of
On the manhole.
At the beginning of the yellow line.
Sure.
All right. So I want you to go back to that starting position, okay?
Yeah.
So I don't know why you. This is not a joke.
Sir.
Okay.
My life. You're kind of mimicking my life.
So
I make $700,000 a year. You're mimicking my life. Don't touch me.
You again.
Yeah, relax.
Okay.
Just let her go.
Don't touch me.
Okay. Are you gonna participate in this exercise?
1,000%.
Okay. Then put your left on
Get
this
this
line.
away from me.
Then why are you being so rude?
She's consulting with me for no reason.
I don't know what that even means.
Get her away from me.
I want you to put your left foot on this line.
Yes, sir. Left foot.
Then your right foot in front of your left foot touching heel to toe.
I know. It's very simple for me.
Touch your right heel to your left toe. Okay. That's, so, does that look like what I'm doing? Thank you. Then your hands by your side, touching your thighs. All right. So now on your hips.
Okay.
Just
sorry.
Down by your side.
Yeah.
All right. So do you have any questions about the exercise?
No questions.
Okay. Well, if you don't have any questions and you understand all the instructions, you can begin whenever you're ready.
Can she get away?
I'm gonna stand right here.
Do you mind just stepping?
I'm gonna stand right here.
Fine.
She continued to resist, calling the police rude, but was eventually subdued.
I want to go home. Can I just go home? I mean, I'm from Wisconsin.
Okay. Here, face that way for me. You're very rude. We haven't called you any names. We've been very polite the entire time.
I've been super polite.
You called her.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Are you serious? I did nothing
Stay right here.
wrong. Yes, I did nothing wrong. Are you serious?
You called her like 5 times.
I did not call her.
Okay.
I was misled. Come on. Are you serious? I bring value to this.
That doesn't mean you have to drive
I
drunk.
don't call her. I'm not driving drunk. Are you serious? I never called you. No. Okay.
Multiple times.
Who are you at this time? I think it's more of a population contest.
A population
It's
contest?
okay. Get it, babe? Are you good? You guys are so good. I love it. Andrew Wright's my best friend.
Andrew Wright?
Oh, you guys are real Republican, apparently. Can I help you? What the fuck are you doing? Stop.
Doing that. Stand up.
What's your problem?
What the fuck are you doing?
What is your deal?
Relax.
You're that drunk?
Are you kidding me?
She has to search you. Stop.
Relax.
My thumb! It's my thumb! It's my thumb!
We're not even touching your hands.
Baby!
Relax. Stop.
They're not complying. They're with me with Tyreek. This is a Tyreek situation. Call him. Call him. Call Hector.
Like Tyreek, you're not complying.
You're, just because I'm white. Okay. There's no race.
In the car, she kept screaming and even spitting everywhere.
Watch your head.
Oh, now you care.
All right, so whenever you get to the jail, I'm going to ask you to provide a sample of your breath, okay? Is that something you're willing to do? Carly, is that something you're willing to do?
No, I've never consented. Hector, you consent!
To top it all off, she did something inside the police car that the officer least expected.
Hector! Hector! I can't breathe! 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 Hector, please! Hector! I can't breathe! I have suffocation issues! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I need air! I need air! I can't breathe! Oh, I can't breathe! I need air! I need air! Please! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! You're so oh my god, you're so pervert. Low life piece of never got laid, you piece of yeah, because you have a small never got laid. So sweet. How does it feel to never be important in your life? Loser. You fat. You piece of you piece of does it feel to be fat loser? I need air or you're gonna kill me. I need air.
Spit on me.
I need air or you're going to kill me and I will sue you. Give me air.
Yeah, the air back there. I'm not opening the window.
I swear to God, give me air. Give me. I swear to God, give me air. Give me air. Give me air. Give me air, you piece of. Give me air. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I don't care. I just need to breathe. Please open a window. I don't.
TPD one, come back.
Open a window, please. I need to breathe. I need to breathe, please. I need a window. I need a window, please. I need to breathe. I need to breathe. I need to breathe, please.
Okay, listen.
I need to breathe. I need to breathe.
Your license gets suspended for a year and it's used against you in court. Okay?
What?
If you don't give a breath sample.
I don't. Give me a breath sample. I don't care. I just need a breathe.
She was charged with battery on a peace officer, driving under the influence, DUI, and resisting arrest without violence. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. I manipulate 30 employees. I'm sure that is extremely accurate. You know all of her employees are going to really enjoy this body cam video. Welcome to YouTube. Judge, and how do you plead? Suspect I'm a business owner, but if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
Other charge. You're getting resisting. Stand back! Stand back!
On August 25th, 2022 in Florida, deputies stopped a 20-year-old woman for swerving. She showed signs of intoxication. Here's what happened next.
All right, Miss Alexa. Do me a favor. Step out of the car for me. All right. Here's the deal. Pulled you over for a lane violation. Got all over the place. Okay. There's an odor of alcohol present in the vehicle as I'm speaking to you. Okay. From your breath as I talk to you. Okay. For use of standardized field sobriety tests, I want you to show me you're able to operate a motor vehicle without impairment. You understand?
I did it right now. What if I got a ride?
You can't call a ride. We're not calling an Uber. We're not doing anything. You're driving your car. I want to make sure that you're able to get in your car and drive home.
Well, what if I got a ride home?
No. We're not leaving your car here. You're in your vehicle.
Why?
And I have to make sure you're safe enough to drive in your current condition. Okay? Because you were driving when I made contact with you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if I got a ride home? Like, what if my mom? Like, what if I park my car and then my mom?
No,
Or, like, why anyone came and got me?
Not an option.
Well, I don't know why. Like, me. Was that me swerving or something? And
Yeah.
you pulled me over?
Leaving your lane, driving completely over the center lane of travel. Are you on your phone? Is there something to explain?
I don't know why you think I'm like drinking. Like, I don't know.
Well, I can smell alcohol come from your breath even as you're standing here outside.
Police smelled alcohol on Alexa and administered a breathalyzer test, but she refused.
Okay?
I mean, I'm drunk though.
What's that for? Well, you know, I don't know. And it's my job to make sure you're not impaired before you get in your car and drive home from here.
I'm not gonna drive from there. Why can't my mom come and get me
Not an
then?
option. It's you drive home or you don't drive home.
Why? Why can't mom come and get me?
It's not an option. Okay?
Why?
Because you're an operator of a motor vehicle and you were driving.
But I'm not gonna drive.
You were driving
though,
a
but I'm
car in
not-
this condition. You were driving a car in this condition. Okay, so it's already, you know, like I said, we're not calling anybody. We're not calling an Uber. You're not
Alright.
calling for a ride.
All right, let's do it then.
Okay, so you want to
But
participate?
you tell my mom first. So can I call her and tell her?
No, you're not calling.
Why?
Anybody. Because you are an adult. Okay, and you were driving a car, and I'm going to make sure you're able to drive a car safely home.
But I still live at home though, so like, why can't I call her and tell her that yeah, I am doing this?
You're not
Why
calling.
can't she be here though? Why? Why?
We're going to try to move on. Okay. Right now, are you sick or injured?
No, I'm not. But I can't call my mom and tell
No,
her.
you cannot call anybody. You cannot make any phone calls right
I'm
now.
not trying to come get me. I'm just trying to come be here.
Stand right here, face me. We're gonna stand with our feet together and our toes and our heels together, just like that, okay? Can you see the red tip of my finger right here?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? It's gonna move side to side, we're just gonna follow with our eyes. Do you understand?
Police asked Alexa to perform a finger-to-nose test, but she refused, insisting she had never heard of it.
That's more than 9.
You know, we've been standing
What are we doing
with our toes. Come. I want to make sure you're able to safely drive home to Toxin. Okay, it's a ways down here. It's off of Sunnybank. Okay, so feet, toes together, just like that. Okay, can you make 2 pointer fingers just like this and bring them back down to your side? Okay, when I instruct you to, you're gonna close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay, you don't have to do it yet. I'll tell you when. Okay, so after you close your eyes and tilt your head back, I'm gonna call out a series of commands. Okay, I'm gonna say left. When I say left, you can take the left tip of your finger and touch the tip of your nose.
It's not a DUI thing.
You bring back down to your
So why am I
side
doing
without being
this?
instructed.
I just
okay?
know why am I doing this? It's not a DUI thing.
When I say right,
No,
you do the same thing.
I
You take
just
the right
know.
tip of your finger, touch the tip of your nose, and bring it back down to your side without being instructed.
It's not a DUI thing. So can you
It is.
know why?
I assure you it is.
I've had a
okay?
DUI. I've never did this with my DUI though. So how is it a thing?
It is a thing. It's part of standardized field sobriety tasks. Okay, I'm asking you to participate. Okay, it's your choice. I've explained it,
I
demonstrate.
pass pretty much almost every.
Ma'am, you need to stay over there.
You want me to continue?
That's fantastic. You need to stay over there.
You want me to start over again?
You need to stay over there. If you ask another question, it's going to be obstruction.
Don't.
Okay.
Don't. No.
Would you like me to explain and demonstrate again?
No, and I've been through this before, bro.
Okay. So do you want to participate or should we move on?
We've already moved on many times.
Okay, this is the last one. This is the last one I asked you to participate. Okay? So again, feet together, like I have.
Do it again.
Okay? Toes and heels together. Pointer fingers.
Right, I've never done this before though, so is this something you're making up?
I'm explaining and demonstrating.
You're making this up?
It's standardized. I'm not making anything up.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay?
Because cops make things up though.
Okay.
Not being me like the cops.
I'm
They fucking make shit up and put it in their brain.
I'm not making anything up. So again, feet together, pointer fingers, down our side.
They are.
Do you want me to explain it? Do you want me to explain again?
Yeah, please do.
So pointer finger down your side. When I tell you to, you're gonna close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay? You don't have to do it yet. Just watch me. Okay? I'm gonna call out a series of commands. Okay? I'm gonna say left. When I say left, you take the left tip of your finger, touch the tip of your nose, just like that.
But
Okay?
my head's gonna be back, or
Okay.
I'm gonna have my
Yes.
head fixed.
You're gonna have your head back and your eyes closed.
But your head's not back.
I'm explaining and demonstrating. Okay?
Well, you're not demonstrating for me.
I'm not going to tilt my head back or close my eyes in front of you. I'm not going to do that. Okay? So, again, I've said left. When I say right, take the right tip of your finger and touch the tip of your nose. Just like that. Bring it back down to your side without me telling you to do so. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Here?
Yep. This thing.
But why does it even have back though? Why does it even have back?
It's part of the test.
How far are you going to
About 45 degrees. Just like that.
She continued to act like a tease and disrespect, which escalated things.
Because when I remind you, I
assure you I'm not making it.
other cops? I'm just asking. Like,
It's
is it different with other
standardized,
cops? Is it different?
standardized field sobriety task. Okay?
But my sobriety test, it wasn't like this though.
It's a standardized
It
field
was
sobriety
a year
task.
ago.
Okay. Standardized field sobriety tasks. Okay. So again, when you're ready, we're gonna move on. So when you're
Okay,
ready,
this is the last one?
yes,
Okay.
you close your eyes and tilt your head back. Okay. You don't have to bend over backwards. That's a little far.
Okay, how
About
far over you?
about 45 degrees, just like that. Okay.
Right finger to my nose, right? Right.
I'm gonna tell you which finger you use. So you touch your finger to your nose. Okay.
Okay. Eyes closed, right? Or eyes open?
Eyes closed the entire time.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Left. Right. And left.
Done?
Yep, you're all done.
The police arrested Alexa for suspected DUI. She resisted handcuffing and chaos followed.
Okay. You are going to be placed under arrest for DUI. So place your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Do not resist me. Okay? Place your hands behind your back.
Mind you, all different. Mom.
Going away. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Put your hands together. She said. Other charge. You're getting resisted. Stay back! Stay back! I'm not playing you either. Stay back! She's getting charged with it.
I did everything! I did everything, Mom! Everything!
Stop. I get locked. Walk into the back of the car. Stop.
I did everything! I did everything with a phone, bro!
Sit down.
I'm on probation, Mom!
Violation too.
The police discovered something unusual when they checked her car.
Go to your car and leave! Cooler in the back.
That's my property. So yes, I will.
Who's the car registered to?
It's registered to her.
No, it's registered to her. It's not hers. Yeah.
She passed everything. Everything. I watched.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. I watched you get heavy-handed. And I watched the whole thing. It's in her cooler.
All right.
That's in her cooler, guys. And I watched.
I suggest you walk away because I'll take you to jail next for obstruction. I wonder who arrested her last.
Me. I'm leaving.
Okay.
You need anything from me?
No.
First, let's check her cuffs.
Yeah.
I didn't get nasty. I tried to walk up nicely. I tried to walk
Step
up
out.
nicely.
Why?
Because I think you undid your cuffs. Step out.
No, I didn't.
Turn that way then.
Why does it matter?
Because I'm checking her handcuffs now. Turn that way. Yeah.
No, I did. Let go of me. Then let go of me.
Stop resisting.
Everything good?
I'm not resisting! I did nothing!
Pulling away is resisting.
Hey!
She's a gnat's ass away from going for obstruction.
Really? That's why I told you.
She takes another foot over
Why
here.
did you just hold your ride for no reason? Why did you hold the ride for no reason? Why are you on my car? Right, I passed everything. I passed everything though. So I passed though. Why? But I passed. So why can't I talk to my mama? Let me talk to her for 1 second. Let me talk to her then. Let me talk to her. Shit, let me talk to her.
Have a seat.
Yo! Get in my car, please, Mom!
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Please, Mom!
Get in the
Go
car.
in my fucking car, please!
Alexa's mother argued with the police, insisting they treated her daughter unfairly.
Because I'm going to tell you right now she did. He's a asshole that just strong-armed her, and you witnessed it all, and you've seen it.
Yes, because she resisted.
No, she did not resist.
right.
She just said no, and then all she's
Okay,
saying is let me talk about it.
resisting-
That's why he just
hold on.
checked her.
Do you want to
cuffs
listen or do
because
you
they
want
were
to
too
keep
tight.
talking?
Too tight. That's why he checked
Resisting
her cuffs.
is pulling, pushing, anything
That's an
active
extra
like
charge
that.
for you guys to get.
She had active
Now-
resistance against him.
No, he
All right?
didn't. Come on,
Yes,
he's
she
double
did.
her size. He's
Okay.
500 pounds
Okay.
to 90 pounds.
If I have you in handcuffs and you're pulling away,
No,
preventing
if
me
he-
from putting you in handcuffs,
You know what he's pulling away for?
What?
Because he's got him so tight. That's why he just checked him again.
They weren't tight.
She said
She
they're
just
so
slipped
tight.
out of them.
Bullshit.
she slipped
Bullshit.
out of them. It's
Bullshit.
all on
I watched
camera.
him.
Yeah, and she
It's
wasn't
my
wearing
kid.
any camera.
I watched it.
Okay.
He's
We-
strong
I-
on the out of her. He's 500 pounds to her 90 pounds. He threw her up against the back, did all this to her. I watched it.
All right.
And you stood there and witnessed it too.
Yeah, I helped him take her
Yeah.
into custody.
Bullshit. He
She was charged with DUI, resisting arrest, possession of alcohol under the age of 21, and refusal to submit to a sobriety test. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. Telling them how experienced you are at doing DUI tests is an odd way to convince them you aren't drunk. 2 DUIs before age 21. Judge needs to revoke. She is serious danger to the public. The fact that she's had enough sobriety tests to know the standard procedure is a problem in itself. That's messy, so what about the third case?
What? Because you told me? Because you believe those guys?
On July 29th, 2023, officers responded to a hotel restaurant after reports of a woman causing trouble for the staff.
Are you refusing to leave?
No.
Okay, get your bag and leave.
Show me where your personal space is.
You don't need to worry about my personal space. You need to get your bag and leave.
You've been suspect.
You have been trespassed.
Look at those guys, and look at this guy, and I have no idea where my purse is. No, not something, not something. No.
She's about to go to jail.
Where?
Jail. Get your stuff and leave now.
Where's my
I
stuff?
suggest you.
I don't know. Wherever
It's
you put
my
it.
table,
Okay,
right
then
over
go
there.
get it and leave.
Can you go get it?
No,
Why?
because it's not my stuff.
Why?
I'm not your.
You tell me to
I'm not your
leave.
personal assistant.
No,
Get your
I
stuff and go
understand.
now.
I understand.
Are you refusing to leave?
No,
Okay, then leave now.
I'm not leaving.
You're not
Because
leaving? Okay.
no,
That's fine. Put your hands behind your back.
you're frisbee for it.
Put both your hands behind your back.
my God. Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
The woman has let you submission to you, and you have on all the cameras.
Yeah, I have my own
entire beautiful place, and you're feeling so good at actually representing a woman who was
because I don't want to
next
arrest you.
Oh yeah, you didn't want to arrest you, but you did arrest me.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you were told multiple times to leave, and you refused, and then you said
No,
you
I
were
didn't say I didn't want to leave. I said I wanted to get my bag, and you said you couldn't get my bag.
She kept resisting arrest, claiming she was from a wealthy neighborhood and didn't deserve this.
Oh gosh, you really gonna feel so good about this?
No, I don't feel good about arresting.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Because a woman who lives in Tulare Beach in a really nice suburban house is being arrested by the guy who literally told her he couldn't. Oh, look at my eyes for a second.
Stop.
He literally couldn't say
Ma'am,
that
come on.
he couldn't.
You're about
leave
to catch
her.
another charge for resisting. Come on. Walk down these stairs. Watch your step.
To what?
You need to look down and watch
To
your step.
what?
Because you were walking down these stairs.
He wants me to walk down the stairs.
Yes, I do.
Why?
Come on.
Oh my God!
Will you stand up?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ma'am, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Then walk. Then walk.
What I want to what?
I want you to walk.
The what? What you
Walk.
want me to do?
Walk.
What is wrong with you?
Walk.
You're me handcuffs.
Walk.
Then what you want? What want me to do? Drivers! Fucking shut down! Please!
Yeah, 42 Bravo, go ahead and have that over here.
Oh my God! Seriously, boy!
As she was put in the police car, she tried to negotiate, saying they could work things out if they let her go.
Я припишу такую каплю.
Давай пройдем, давай. Alright, gonna have to probably pick her legs up too.
Oh my God!
Ready?
Yep. Oh my God! You really guys need this? Seriously, you need this? Guys, listen, stop, just stop. What do you need?
I needed you to
What do
leave
you
about
need?
15 minutes ago.
What?
And you refused.
Why? Because you told me, because you believe those guys?
Ready?
Stop, just stop.
Stand up.
Stop.
Stand up.
Stop. Believe me for 1 second.
Stop.
Believe me for 1 second.
It's over with.
I understand.
Just please stand up.
Just let me go.
We can't let you go. Stand up for me.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, stand up.
Yes, you can. I can let you go and you
Ma'am.
can let me go. You're not gonna be the two guys who's taking advantage of the whole woman who's being like
Ma'am.
completely.
Stand up. Come
You
on.
have a chance.
Ma'am,
You have a chance.
how old are
Social
you?
media. What does it matter?
Because you're
have
acting
a
like a
chance.
9-year-old. Stand up.
You have a chance.
There's no chance.
He was with
You have
me.
a chance.
Well, you were with me.
Back up.
Please.
Don't
You don't have
kick.
to do it.
Do not kick
I'm
me.
not going to
You're gonna get a
kick you.
resisting charge
I'm
if
telling
you
you,
kick me.
I'm telling you, I have a shitload of money.
I
You
don't
know what's
care how
gonna
much
take.
money you have.
I know. You know why? Because I'm telling you this right now.
Okay, you need
You
to
know
back up
why?
there. Go over there.
You know why? Because all this can go away. You can go away and I can go away.
Ma'am, get in
You
the
can
car.
go away. and I can go away. All of this can go away. You know why? Why? Why do you need to do this?
Get in the car.
Go.
Come on, get in the car.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you. I'm not resisting anything.
Perfect.
I'm not,
Get in the
I'm
car.
not asking anything.
Ma'am, get in the car. Don't grab me and don't kick me.
Please. Fuck you.
She kept knocking on the car door and screaming in there.
Change all of this right now. You can change all of this.
You break
You can
that
change
window,
all
you
of
get
this.
pepper spray.
You can change all of this
Do you
because you're a good
understand?
person. You
One
can
more
go.
time.
You're a good person.
That window
I can tell you're a good person.
What?
You are good people. What the f do you want with people having good time at the nice hotel? What the f do you want?
I don't want anything. I want you to.
Yeah, that's why you should let us go and go to our houses.
Once you relax, we will. You need to.
Yeah, then just let us go.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
I need you to calm down.
I am
I'm
calm.
not yelling at you.
Just let us go. Just let us go. She has 2 kids. I have 3 kids. Let us go. Those motherfuckers were not nice to us. We snapped. So that's the worst that's gonna happen.
You need to treat us how you want to be treated.
I never was booked for anything.
Okay, you need to relax, and we'll talk to you in a
Just
second.
let us go.
Okay, relax, and we'll talk to you.
28446, 28446.
Don't you have real criminals to check?
Yeah.
We're not fucking real criminals.
Okay, well,
Let
unfortunately.
me come out.
If she breaks my window, she's gonna get pepper sprayed.
You want to just get her the hell out of here? I don't know what we're waiting for.
I don't know.
Just go. Drive to McCurry, and because if he's doing the Viper, then there's no reason to stay here. It just has things escalate.
She's not
so,
the
get the hell out of here.
You're nice people. You guys are not nice people at all. You know you're not the kind of people you book. You know exactly. You know exactly that the people that you know that you're so messed up. You're literally messed up in your brain because you know the people you just picked up are just trying to have fun and catch up with their friends and having a good time in the bed, and the hotel is being so fucking messed up. They were trying to bitch about $600 bill that we're gonna pay anyways, and then here you are. You guys feel good about it, don't you? Right? A girl who came to dinner with her friend. You feel good about it, right? Don't you feel good about it? Oh, guys, I'm having such a fucking break in this big, mysterious that's taking over St. Petersburg and all these clouds of like, what? Like luxury and fucking like, oh, I'm sorry. You can't even fucking navigate your out of this like luxury happens here.
She kept criticizing the police, accusing them of mishandling the arrest of an ordinary woman.
Who was literally just a girl, just a normal girl who was not even threatening anybody at her lunch, and took her by her wrists, handcuffed in the back seat. She was handcuffed, absolutely, like she couldn't even move. You know why? The why question never came. She is still asking, why is she kidnapped by the police? Why? Why? She's scared. In the back seat of the car that's moving her from the one station they kidnapped her, which is the police station. You did this to me, a mother of 3 children. I never had any problems with police. I live in Bel Air Beach, Florida. I have a master's degree, you assholes. You don't give a you know why? Because whatever you're doing at this moment is superiority. And you know what? It's about time we expose this. Guess what? You're not no fucking angel. All the shit that happened to you in your life, you just say, I did not deserve that. Guess what? You fucking deserve
She panicked, pedaled her bike frantically, and kept screaming she couldn't breathe while talking nonstop.
Stop kicking my window! Stop it!
I can't breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! Yeah, they pull me inside! I cannot breathe! Help me! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! You're taking my shoes off! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! I cannot breathe! You just hold me inside! Help me! Help me! She's holding me inside! Help me! 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 Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! I cannot breathe! I'm a woman that lives in Indian Rest! I live in Indian Rest Beach! I'm a good person! They kidnapped me! And they please help me out! Check my address! They kidnapped me! No one let me go! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Elena! Help me! Elena! Help me! Help me, Elena! Help me! Help me! Help me! Elena! I was kidnapped in the Vinoy! They both forgot to be hostage! Please help me! Please help me! Take a breath for me? Please help me! Help me! Both of them keep me hostage! Elena! I want you to help me! Elena! Please, you're gonna hurt yourself! Anybody help me! Please help me! Please help me! I live in Blair Beach! I was there to celebrate with my friends. They come and they kidnap me. Help me, please. Elena, I want you to help me. Help me now. It's a police station. Help me. Please, they're bringing a wheelchair for you. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. But I can't have you kicking your windows, and I can't have you kicking my officer, okay? Please help me. She's holding my arms. I am holding your arms. Help me now. I'm not going to let you kick people. All right, you're going to pay attention to these very nice people, all right? They kidnapped me.
Ma'am, you're not dealing with them anymore, so let's get you inside and see what's going on, okay? Alright, scooch up. Scoot forward.
I don't even have my bag. I don't have my phone.
That's worried.
They kidnapped me.
Okay. Elena, come on out. Elena, let's get inside and figure out what's going on.
They kidnapped me.
Alright, Elena, let's figure out.
I live right here. I'm Blair
Turn around.
Beach.
Okay.
I don't think she did because her dress looks fine.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest after repeatedly refusing to leave the premises, causing a disturbance and actively resisting officers during the arrest. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. "I cannot breathe" has become such a disrespectful tool. Isn't it time we started talking about alcohol the same way we talk about other drugs? What a mess. One thing I've learned about these body cam videos, there's a lot more entitled people in this world than I thought.
Shocking you guys really are.
From violent woman who bites police officer, seriously.
Hey, stop! Stop it! Out of me. Stop it!
To aggressive old woman who asked police to be gentle.
I told you I have PTSD and I'm not getting in a car with a man I don't know, and you keep insinuating that I have to go somewhere.
And Karen who punched manager in absolutely chaotic gay supermarket.
Punched me in the face.
She
I
punched
asked
you
her
in
to,
the face?
yeah,
Okay.
like I have it on video.
Okay.
Lots of witnesses.
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as entitled violent psycho Karen makes her day 10 times worse after bite the police.
Till you stop.
On May 20th, 2024, Officers in New Mexico responded to reports of a woman causing a disturbance on the road. Upon arrival, they found 2 women yelling on the roadside.
Bitch, I have witnesses. I have witnesses.
Come here.
I have witnesses.
Relax. Take a deep breath.
Leave your
No.
shirt on,
Stop. Stop.
She made me strip.
Stop.
As long as I strip, she'll take me home. That's what she told me.
Stop.
I want to go home, officer.
Okay, stop.
So as long as I dress, I'll go home.
Stop.
As long as I dress, I'll go home.
Listen to me. I want to put your shirt on, okay?
I want to go home.
Let me put your shirt on.
Can I call my dad?
Relax.
Can I call my dad?
Relax.
Or my mama? Because these 2 bitches don't care. Do you
Put your
want to
shirt
take
back
me
on.
home, Sarah?
Will you
Yes
get in
or
your car and
no?
just go that way, please?
Am I your daughter? Yes or no? Am I your daughter? Yes or no?
I love you, yes.
Okay, so I'm her daughter.
Sit down, okay?
Sarah,
Listen,
save
listen.
me, Sarah.
Relax.
I'm your daughter. I want to go home with you.
Any of you guys have
Sarah.
a blanket or something or anything?
Zero.
Just trying to get that shirt on.
I want to go home with
Trying to
you.
get a shirt on.
Come here.
Just
Come
get
here.
me a shirt.
Sit up.
Get me a shirt, Sarah.
There. Put your shirt
Look,
on.
yeah, I know I can.
There.
Sarah, get me a shirt, Sarah.
Let's get you
Sarah,
out of the.
get
Let's
me
get her
a
out of the
shirt.
over here.
Get me a
Here, stand
shirt
up.
so I don't go
Stand
to
up.
jail.
Stand up.
I wasn't driving or nothing.
Stand up. Come here, sir.
Pick me up.
She said she has a disorder that causes her to stay away from people for 6 seconds.
She's deadly. She's not even trying.
I'm not. Pick me up, guys. Let's see how strong you guys really are. That way. Sarah, if you care, pick me up now. We're okay.
One, it has no
Sarah,
disorder.
walk
Roll
towards
it.
me and we're okay.
Park in a manner that.
My parents will be here in 2 minutes. Don't touch me, please.
No, I won't. I don't want
have a
you to. I just
disorder.
don't want you to get up, okay?
Okay, I have
As
a
long as you-
disorder.
Just don't get up.
I won't get up. I need to be away from people in order to breathe. That's my disorder. You know, my girlfriend knows that too. I just need to be away for like 6 seconds. That's it. 6 seconds.
I don't want you
Can
to fall
stop?
back and hit your head.
I
Stop.
won't fall back.
You are. You're throwing yourself
No,
back.
I
You're gonna
won't.
hit your head on the curb. I
How much
don't
you
want
wanna
that.
bet?
Stop.
Let go on how much you wanna bet?
Stop.
The suspect was uncooperative, spitting and biting officers, escalating the situation.
Stop.
Let go. Let go. Let go. See, I'm holding myself.
Stop it.
I'm holding myself. You're holding me.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Just calm
Man got me. Finally.
Stop.
You accomplished your job.
Hey, do you have leg shackles?
Let me go.
You are
I'm
not
not
gonna
doing
spit.
anything.
You are not gonna spit,
I
Santana.
won't spit as long as you let me go. Cameras have everything. You guys are gonna
Angelo,
get
grab your
sued.
shackles.
You guys are gonna get sued so hard. My mama's on her way. Can you just let me go? I need to pee.
Stop it, Santana. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
I don't stop until you stop.
Roll over on our side so we get close.
Hey, stop. Stop. Stop it. Biting the out of me. Stop it. She's biting the out of me. Open that mouth.
Stop.
You stop it. Get those shackles on her now.
Their shackles already on. Shackles already on.
Okay.
Hold that arm. Hold that arm.
Free me.
Hold that arm.
Let's roll her. Let's roll
Down.
her. Roll over.
Get her arms.
Yeah, Ben. There. Here, now bring it up. There. Let me see.
While being restrained, she bit a police officer's pinky finger, inflicting a serious injury.
Let me see.
There you go. She bit my pinky. Oh, mother.
No, she had an officer's hand in her mouth. So he was trying to push her head from it because she bit his. He's got a big old gash in his pinky now from her mouth. The officer that's over there.
Yeah, she had his whole half of his hand in her mouth.
Can I see it?
His injury?
Yeah. I would like to see his injury because I saw her head going back.
Yeah, well, he's got a big gash.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Well, it'll be in evidence because I'm sure she's going to get a charge for that. He's not going to act like that for.
Well, no, I know, but that way I know with her parents and like that too because
Buyers.
I know what I just saw, and I saw.
Well, you can do whatever you want to do with your video, but this officer got bit, and that's not okay.
I'm frustrated
it's frustrating.
already, and I get it.
She's gonna bite my finger off, bro. Sergeant, careful.
You are gonna go get a tetanus shot, right?
Yeah, so that's bad. That's a felony.
Yeah.
So when somebody puts their mouth around us, yeah, we're gonna do what we have to do. Buyers, go to the hospital. Hey, just go to the hospital, get yourself checked out, okay? We got this. Go get yourself checked out. So she's too combative to put in the ambulance, but we need to take her to the hospital. So bring your unit right here. She's good. She ain't on her. I got my knee on her.
You didn't go anywhere. I want to be a lawyer. I'm gonna be a lawyer.
We're gonna have to pick her up though, probably.
Stay with me.
She identified herself as Santana and refused to cooperate, insisting she was too drunk to move.
Come towards me, Sarah, if you let me. Sarah! Come towards me! You won't! You won't! You won't!
Okay, so we're gonna roll her to her side, the side here. Roll her. Okay, sit up. What's her name, Santana? You're gonna have to just sit up, Santana, okay?
I'm too drunk, I can't. So you don't have to do it. Sarah! Sarah, help! Sarah!
Watch her face, watch her mouth, watch her mouth. Watch her mouth, watch her mouth.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Watch her mouth, okay?
Yeah.
Go right to the hospital.
Watch it.
The police struggled to take her into custody as she demanded medical attention.
Hey, boys, finding off at the hospital.
Okay, hold on.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Hold up! Oh my god! That hurts so bad! Hold up, I said. Could you hold on? He's in a wheelchair.
Just go to this.
Oh my god!
Hold on.
Okay. Take me to the wheelchair right away. I need an emergency room.
No.
Santana Valdez. You guys are gonna get so sued. Fuck you and your children. Right here is good.
In there.
Oh, trauma. Let's go to trauma once. We're gonna take trauma.
Cool, I'm cooling down. Don't touch me, please. I need medical attention now. Your attention. I need medical attention now. Your attention.
The suspect faced multiple charges, including assaulting and disarming an officer. Released on probation, she later violated its terms, leading to a bench warrant. Her case remains open. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Spitting on someone is vile. That other woman actually defending her biting the cop's finger that badly. UTF is wrong with these people. Yet another example of someone who should never consume alcohol. But if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
Steve, you did not help me.
On June 17, 2023, a woman had a complete meltdown after being arrested for randomly throwing rocks at passing vehicles.
So you're throwing rocks at cars.
Are you high? Been smoking some?
Have I? No.
Yeah, because I didn't throw any rocks at nobody.
Okay, where can I get you to?
Here's our options. I can give you
There is
rides.
no options. I'm not bothering you, and I can walk on the side of the road. It's free country.
Yeah, but I got a complaint that you were throwing rocks at cars.
Let me see it.
Let you see what?
The complaint.
The phone call? I can't show you that.
What are you gonna do? Beat me up?
No, I never threatened to do that.
Well, yeah, you are. You're saying it's not even gonna. I don't have to leave from here. I'm not.
You want to
doing
call that? I'm giving you options. I'm trying to be nice to you,
anything.
but
Get fired.
I'm gonna get fired. Okay.
Because I have PTSD. I'm 100% disabled. Nobody wanted to help me. My arm is broken. You're still running your mouth about, oh, we can go down that road. What road?
Throwing stuff at cars.
I
You can't be
didn't throw
doing that.
anything at no car.
That's not what I'm being told
Oh, you're being told that by who?
by the complainant. He's about to call and see what's going on. Now I've offered to give you a ride to La Crosse. Offered.
No, you didn't.
I did. 100.
Liar. You never said that.
100%.
You said, get out of the woods. Come here. I don't have to come to you. I'm not your slave. I can stand where I
I
want.
could get you a ride from Tri-State, who you've already made contact with.
I'm not going to listen to someone telling me, oh, I am an ambulance driver, as he covers up his badge, just like you are. So you're not either.
My badge isn't covered. It's right here.
What are you covering up that for?
Nothing's being
And
covered.
then he has a body cam on me so he can show how crazy I am. I'm not crazy.
It is being recorded.
The suspect tried to hitchhike and threw rocks at cars that didn't stop.
Where were you going to today?
Tell you where I'm going.
You don't have to tell me anything. I'm
That's
just making.
right. So get in your car and go.
Oh no, we're not leaving
Why?
because we got a complaint that you're throwing rocks at cars.
Why do you keep saying that? You can't prove that. And neither can he. It'd be my word against his. What's he going to say? She stopped after walking 20 miles and she's almost dead? You throw a rock at me.
Well,
Does that sound even feasible?
if you were almost dead, you would have taken the ambulance ride that I offered you, right?
I'm in the final stage of COPD. I'm not supposed to walk, and I won't get in a car with a man I don't know. For the 6th time. I have PTSD. I'm not going anywhere with you.
I didn't offer to go with me. I said you could go with
I'm
the
not
ambulance.
going with anybody I don't know.
But you told me you wanted an ambulance. Do you know all the ambulance drivers around here?
I know that one's an and I'm not going anywhere with them.
Well, let's just sit tight till we figure out what to do for you. But where would you want to go? Okay, I'm not interrogating you.
Yes, you are.
I'm trying to ask where you want to go.
What do you understand about me not getting that in a cop car? Unless I'm handcuffed and you bodily shove me in that, I'm not going.
Okay, I have other options. You want to go with Tri-State?
I'm not going to no Tri-State. I don't even know what that is.
That's the ambulance service.
So why do you say I'm going to go to the ambulance service? What are they going to do? Throw me in a...
You said you wanted an ambulance service, and I offered it to you.
And when the guy came over, I asked him a couple of questions. He started all giving me the fifth. I don't take orders from men, you or anyone else.
She panicked and overreacted as officers arrested her for disorderly conduct and property damage.
All right, Teresa, you're under arrest. All right? Turn around, place your hands behind your back. Yep,
Why?
you're under arrest
Why?
for disorderly conduct.
You just smile.
I'm not
That's
smiling.
not even true. I was not doing anything. I was walking down the road, sir, and I never touched you.
I
told you I have PTSD, and I'm not getting in a car with a man I don't know, and you keep insinuating that I have to go somewhere.
Yeah, you do, because you're under.
Ah, my arm's already broken.
Which one?
Come
on,
Steve,
let's go. Come on. Come on.
That's my arm that's hurt you. Ow!
Come on.
Let's go. Just get up and walk, and it'll be a lot easier.
This is a nightmare. I don't even know what the is wrong with you people.
Come on, we've been more than calm with
I don't
you
why
guys.
I didn't do anything. I didn't know it was against the law to walk.
Nope, that's not. We've already discussed what the problem was.
What's the problem then? Can you please let go of my arm that hurts?
Once you get up.
Yeah, stand up.
The arm is broken.
I'm not squeezing it in any way.
It doesn't matter. I don't want you holding my broken arm. I don't want you touching me.
Stand up.
Oh my God, Steve, you did not help me.
Come on. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're gonna break my arm more. Let the go of me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not under arrest.
Yes, you are.
Wow, Steve! Ow!
Yeah,
Ow! You're breaking my arm more.
We're not even.
You're not. That's right. Where it's broken. Ow!
Upon arrest, she resisted, pretended to be unconscious, and kept screaming about her dislocated arm.
You gonna get up? Are you gonna stop resisting?
I wasn't resisting. Stop lying.
You're actively resisting right now.
You are hurting me. I
Put
told
your
you my
hands
arm
behind
is
your
broken.
back.
I'm gonna stand up, please.
Just put your hands
Just
behind
put
your back.
hands behind your back. We'll help you up.
I can't have you.
Alrighty.
Get her up.
Yep. Teresa, I'm gonna have you roll towards me, okay? Teresa, roll towards me.
The suspect pretended to be unconscious, but she couldn't keep up the act for long.
Teresa, can you hear me?
Teresa, I'm gonna flip you over.
I'm sorry, can you turn that in line?
Why are you doing this to me?
Flipping you over, you went
Why?
unresponsive.
Yeah, you were responsive.
You went unresponsive.
Players keep slamming me on my broken arm. I said it's broken. I got beat up earlier today.
What was going on with you being unresponsive there?
Because I don't want you touching me. You have my hand all over my thigh.
Were you faking it?
No, it's PTSD, fool.
Okay, let's stand up.
Let's stand up. Come on.
Why don't you help me up like you should instead of jerking my fucking arms?
Well, you gotta help us a little bit here.
Why? I'm only 135.
Go up to your knees. There we go. There we go.
All right, let's go back over here.
It's gonna get worse.
Stop resisting.
I cannot go in the police.
Stop resisting.
Oh my God.
Even in cuffs, the suspect is still reluctant to get into the police car.
Come on, right in front of the car here.
They're dragging me now. They're slamming me on it.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke, stick me, anything like
Yeah,
that?
I got it in my underwear.
Well, I still gotta ask.
No, that's against the law, right? Ah! You see how they continue to twist that arm?
No one's twisting anything.
The hell you're not. You keep grabbing it every time. I said it's broken there. Now he's putting more pressure.
He's
Ooh,
adjusting
thank
your
you.
cuffs.
No, why? To make them tighter?
Well, he's got to make sure they're safe, so we're all
right.
safe.
So you're safe.
Yep.
Look at the way he keeps doing this. This does not make any sense. You're not a cop, that's why.
He's making sure that everything's going good
No,
for
he's
you.
not. You don't have to put cuffs on 15 times. Now he's taking them off, putting them on, taking them off, putting them on so he can twist me around. There he goes. Now he's got them real tight. They're going to start bleeding.
I'm just trying to make sure that your wrist is in there right so it doesn't hurt you.
Stop bending my arm.
Now they're on me.
No, they're on. Oh.
All right, Teresa, this way. Come on.
I can't. Now they want to drag me through the.
You can't walk. You just walked almost 2 miles.
I bet I can walk farther than you.
Let's go.
Stop pulling me. I can walk when I get ready. You're not in a hurry.
Nope.
Actually, you work for me. When are you going to stop jerking me around?
You live in Black River Falls.
It doesn't matter. You're still a cop.
The officers placed the suspect in their cruiser while waiting for an ambulance to evaluate her.
Yeah, take a step up in there.
Why are you worried about a seatbelt? You're breaking my arm. Oh, it's hurt me. Now he just wrapped the seatbelt on and cinching it as tight as he can. Ow! What is wrong with you?
All right, watch your feet.
Don't touch me. I can get out myself. I do not need you to help me.
I want to make sure you don't fall.
I don't want you touching me. You had your hand up my dress, buddy. Yeah, you did. You were touching my bare thigh. Yeah, you were. Yes, you were. I'm 60. I'm trying to get out. Just hold it. Don't touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
I'm not letting you run into the ropes.
I wouldn't run into the road. I'm not dumb like you.
She's like 63, female. Were you guys? We weren't.
No,
okay.
it was a different crew. They called us though.
Yeah, so same lady. So we got called back up here because she was throwing rocks at a car. We told her she was under arrest. We went to the ground. When she was on her side, she kind of went unresponsive on us.
Okay.
Shallowly breathing. Came back around as soon as we put her on her back. She claims that her one arm is broken.
Okay.
So she claims her left arm is broken.
Hey there. I'm Clint. I'm a paramedic, okay? We're going to get you out. We're going to put you in the cot. The officer's going to take the handcuffs off, but because you're under arrest, we have to put you in what's called soft restraints. It should be a little more comfortable, okay? You understand that? I'm not that's not my deal.
I wasn't disorderly.
Do you want to fight with us or not? If you're going to fight with us, you're going to stay in the
fight.
handcuffs. You know what? We're just going to leave you in the cuffs. Come on out. Come on out.
She was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest and was taken to the station for booking after receiving treatment. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. "You've had your hand up my dress. I can only imagine the nightmares he's going to have, LOL. Looks like they lost a Walking Dead extra. Something tells me she's always been like this and no one in her life will tolerate it anymore. That's messy. So what about the third case?"
You need my rights as much as you need hers.
On April 26, 2024, Washington officers rushed to Safeway after a manager reported being punched by a customer. Here's what happened next.
Okay. Who was assaulted?
Our store manager.
Okay. Where's the store manager at? Okay. Hello. What exactly
She
happened?
just punched me in the face.
She
I
punched
asked
you
her
in the
to.
face?
Yeah,
Okay.
like I have it on video.
Okay.
Lots of witnesses.
Okay.
I just asked her to leave. She was yelling at her.
We'll take her
someone.
into custody here. For other units, there's PC for assault for punched the manager in the face. Hey, Laurel.
I don't want you to justify me. I need to talk to the people that the other man called.
Laurel, you're under arrest, so I need you to put your hands behind your back for me,
I'm
okay?
not going to do that.
Laurel,
you can talk to them.
I
They
just
called
did.
you. I'm waiting for the people that this man called.
you also
so
have warrants
I
for your
need.
arrest.
I have a right to explain what I understood. I have a right to talk to someone about that, and I have a right to conflict resolution.
Okay.
So you go talk
Laurel,
to the person who called
you're
you.
under arrest.
I am not interested in that.
It doesn't matter what you're interested in.
I'm
or
not
I
available
need
for that. You need my rights as much as
I
you
need
need
you to
hers.
put your hands behind your
You
back.
need my rights as much as you need
You
hers.
put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for help.
411, go ahead, step it up. She's verbally non-compliant. We've informed her she's under arrest.
Well, talk to her. Understand. What did she say to me? What are her exact words?
Laurel continued to protest, claiming she was the victim and that the manager had harassed her.
I want my rights.
You were going to
Where are my rights? I'm a little girl more than she is. You understand? There's 6 people that showed up after she harassed me verbally.
Laurel.
6 people. She told me what to do. She harassed me. She said a bunch of things that were very rude. I don't think that person should be around young women. I don't think that person should touch young women.
Laurel.
And I don't think that person should understand what's going on. She was very rude. She was very assertive. She acted like she understood me. And she had 6 people show up and stare at me.
Laurel.
One being a 300-pound
Laurel.
man who's 7 foot.
Laurel,
Or
you need to face
5.
the wall for me and put your hands
I
behind
want
your
to
back.
talk to a conflict resolution. I don't want
You're
to.
under arrest.
I don't want to handle the other things I have to handle. I want to talk to conflict
under
resolution, and I want to understand why she talks to me like that. She is not welcome around crazy people. She is not welcome around young women, and she's not welcome around the public.
Try de-escalating.
Did you talk to? Are you with the man who called? Or are you with her?
Laurel grew more agitated, screaming and repeatedly calling 911.
Are you with the man who called? Or are you with her?
Who's her? At that side.
The woman who
We've already tried this.
woman who called.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Okay.
Okay.
You.
Stop. Knock it off. Stop.
You're under arrest. You've been told you're under arrest. Knock it off. Laurel. Laurel. Calm down.
Stop.
Calm down. You're under arrest.
Are you done?
You need to calm down.
Are you done fighting?
You need to calm
Are you
down.
done fighting?
You need to calm down.
911, 911, 911, 911,
It's okay.
911.
Relax.
I want conflict resolution.
Yeah.
911, legislative conflict resolution now. Legislative conflict resolution now. 911, 911. Innocent conflict resolution now. Now, 911.
I appreciate it.
Innocent conflict
Laurel.
resolution. Don't
Let's walk her to my
touch
car
me.
and we can search her.
Don't. Well, you better not touch anyone ever again.
Alex,
You
these
are
cuffs
not
are probably
welcome
too loose on this
to
side.
touch anyone ever
See
again.
Those cuffs are way too loose.
I don't want to be raped. Get away from me. You're a
Laurel,
rapist.
chill out.
You're the
Get her to the
rapist.
car and control her.
You are the rapist. You are the man. You are the rapist.
Keep your hand
You
right
are the man. You are the rapist. You do that. I don't. Where's justice for you being raped? You raping people.
She yelled incoherent words, accusing the police of unfairly treating women.
You're a good job, not a man's job. I think you do a good job, not a man's
Laurel,
job.
stop.
Not a man's. Chill out is not what I understand. You are raping me when you say chill out. You're raping me when you. You shove me in the face of a young man who doesn't understand rape.
We're trying not to hurt you. Okay?
That was not trying. But maybe you have that. I think you have a rape problem. I don't think if you have a woman help.
You gotta go. You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm not uncompliant when I move. And I don't need 3 officers to do this. One could have done it. One could have done it. There's credit card information on that. I think you should take it out. Can you take that out?
I'll grab it. But you...
Well, don't grab it. Take it out.
What is she trying to take out?
That's not going to work.
Come on. Laurel, get in the car.
Come on. Don't say anything other than what.
Laurel, you're under arrest. Get in the car, please.
911!
Laurel.
911!
Knock it off.
9!
Do not spit on me.
Well, you deserve it.
All right, that's assault. Grab a hood.
A Safeway employee recounts the incident, but what's the truth?
I can't breathe very well.
I think you're okay. We're gonna monitor you.
Don't you? Please tell them not to use those words. Chill out is not appropriate.
Okay.
And talk to those people. 6 of them showed up.
Which one of you did she just spit at?
Me.
Okay, so you're gonna have to do a bit of work.
Yeah,
Yep.
spit all over me.
All fall.
Photograph me real quick.
Yep, I got you. Yeah, I got almost a little on the side of my face, but
I felt spray on my neck.
Here.
You mind just standing by? Let me get a little more. They were like, that woman punched me in the face. So here's a good one. Hello. What led up to her punching you in the face?
So she was sitting there. My team's been calling me up at the office, so I was watching her talk to herself. I'm like, okay, she's talking to herself. I'll be down in a minute. So then I heard the yelling, so I could hear it upstairs. So I brought another guy with me, my assistant. So we went to go approach her, and I was about right here. I said, hey, can you come here with me? And she was yelling, and then I said, ma'am, can you come out with me, and we need to go outside. And she's yelling at me, and then she stands up. I said, no, I get firm with her. You need to come outside. I think I was standing right here. You were here. And then she starts walking towards me. I'm like, come on. And I start walking this way. And then she just came up to me and just punched me right here. And then, of course, after that, it was kind of like, well, she got into, I thought she was going to punch you guys.
Yeah,
she got into your face. Yeah. I didn't know if it was an actual fist, but the girls said, yeah, she fisted up. And yeah, we tried to lock the doors because she kept coming back. We have it all on, it should be on surveillance.
Yeah, we'll come back and grab video from you guys. Can I take a quick photo? I know there's not any really marks or anything.
Yeah,
It might bruise tomorrow.
I've never been punched before, so it was very shocking. And I'm at work. I'm like, we should not have to deal with this.
The police read Laurel her Miranda rights, but she lashed out, insisting they couldn't record her and threatening to sue.
I knew that they'd asked her to leave, and then she got punched. I asked a little bit what led up to the reason why they're asking her to leave, and it's essentially she was sitting at the coffee area right there and just yelling at herself and nobody and just screaming. She's like, we could hear her from up in the management room, so we asked her to leave and kept asking her, like, man, you need to stand up there and come outside with me, and then she just clocked her. Got hit in the left side. I got all the names and a couple witnesses. But
I'll probably just have you just do a paragraph and just send it to me because I'll handle all the booking and stuff once she's in and everything. You can split. Just do me a paragraph.
We should see if she's already been trespassed in here. She's not. Okay, they want her trespassed. So
I'll follow you.
Yeah,
I don't want to try to bring her.
I'm 99% sure. I was looking at that as you told me to set it up. I don't think she knows.
Okay, wait, I'll pull it real quick. No. Hey, Laurel. I'm going to read you your rights, okay? And just let you know you are being audio and video recorded.
I want you to let you know that you're going to have to talk to a producer about that. So if you audio and video record me, that you are liable to be taken to court, taken seriously and taken to court.
I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right time to talk to a lawyer and have him or her be present when being questioned.
You are under.
The suspect was charged with assault, resisting arrest, and trespassed from Safeway. She also had multiple warrants for failing to appear in court on similar charges. One thing's for sure, when chaos collides with the law, it never ends well for them. What do you think about these cases? Drop a comment below, hit like if you want more, and subscribe to Law Files to stay updated on wild encounters like these.